How did they find you?
I was accessing the mainframe.
Тени.
Ew, robot guts.
All of Europe has now been subjugated by the machine forces since my last report. Drones are gathering along the Pacific Rim and Eastern Europe. The invasion of Asia will soon commence.
In 13 years, he's conquered half the planet.
Also, Clint Barton's son is alive.
What?
Hey, who's Clint Barton?
Maybe he was the knight, or the pixie.
The pixie was your mom, idiot.
Maybe he was the knight.
There it is!
Thanks.
Azari, Pim, what are you two doing down here?